In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your lot size on MetaTrader 5. Now, the first way is, of course, inside your order window. So if I open this right now, as you can see here, it says volume. And to actually change your lot size, this is where you have to basically change it. So we can go up or down using these arrows, or you can just type it in manually like this, okay? So for example, if I want to go 0.01, there we go, it's going to let me, and then you can proceed with your order. Now, if you are using the quick trader, so one click over here, you can click on show trade panel, and of course you can change your lot size in here by using either these two arrows to up it or this one to down it, or of course you could go and type it in manually yet again. Now of course you have to press the buy or sell button to actually execute the trade. However, if you want to set your defaults, you could go to tools and then options. Then you want to switch to trade tab, which is the third one, and then from here where it says volume, you can either have a last used or by default, and you can set a default like this. Click on OK, and now that's going to default for your trades or orders. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.